Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox and review a microphone. It's called Boya Omnidirectional Condenser microphone with 20 feet audio cable. Okay guys, let us unbox this. And before that, if you guys didn't subscribe to our channel before, then please lend your support by subscribing our channel. By doing that, you guys can also get my future updates. Oh, what? Why is this packing so mess? Whatever. Let's take a peek inside the box. Is this a Valentine's Day chocolate or something? oh. It's not a chocolate after all. But it's a cool bag. So I think it's very useful to carry this microphone everywhere. As per one of its features, you guys can also use this on smartphone, DSLR camera, and laptop and desktop devices. Which means it's compatible with lots of devices, which is also very useful. Okay then, let's see the main unit and other items too. This microphone comes with a small battery. You can easily place that into your microphone. When it comes to presentation and business meeting, it will be very useful for you. It has two switches. You can easily switch to DSLR camera or smartphone. I'm recording this audio in my computer, so I'm now using camera mode to record this on my computer. It's very easy to use. If you want better audio in your mobile, you could also switch this option to smartphone and plug it in and use it. It comes with a clip. Just clip the mic on your outfit and start recording your voice. This has 20 feet audio cable, which is very useful for long distance recording. As I said before, it's simply a wonderful microphone. I'm saying because now I'm using this exact microphone to record this video. Audio quality is excellent so far. Still, if you want more voice reduction, you could use a tandem power supply. It's a device. It allows you to record any microphone without any noise. So if you guys interested and want to buy it, I mentioned the link in the description below, so you can buy it from there. But I would say this is the best microphone I ever had, and also it's very cheap and wonderful microphone. I've also given the link to buy this microphone in the description below. If you guys interested, go ahead and buy it. It's worth for money. Thank you so much for watching this, guys. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you didn't subscribe our channel yet, then please do. See you later, guys.